What's going on, all my good people, man? It's your big homie Lynn coming back again with another video, man. And today I'm finna present to y'all the Air Jordan 3 Cardinals. Now, before we get deep into the video, man, make sure you smash that like button for your boy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. Now, for all my return subscribers, you already know how I like to do it. I don't like to take too much of y'all time, so let's go on and dive inside this video. Now, looking at the aftermarket, man, I can see that the shoe is hovering around 340. You got some sizes going for like 350, man. So for all my resellers out there, man, if you can get your hands on an early pair, that's what it's going for. I know on the streets, they probably going for like, what, 400 early? That's if you go to a consignment shop, man. But as far as the app goes, man, this shoe is hovering around the 340 range. So just keep that in mind. You already know when it get closer to the date, it does go down. But I think it will shoot back up to the 300, 340 range a little later on this year. Now, when I first got these in hand, man, the first thing I actually said, bro, this shoe right here is fire. Now, looking at the colorway, man, it does read white, light curry, and Cardinal Red. But in person, man, it looks like a light maroon. One thing I love about this shoe, man, that it does come in your standard Air Jordan 3 color blocking. You can't mess up, man, when you have this color blocking all white with whatever color you go on with the elephant print, man. You can't go wrong with it. You just can't. Now, looking at the quality of this shoe, man, I can say that the quality is there. There's no glue stains, no crazy markings, man. The brush strokes on the mid panel is excellent. Now, it's two things that stick out the most to me about this pair, man. And one is the light curry Jumpman on the tongue. I strongly feel like, man, this light curry Jumpman on the tongue really stands out and it really pops, man. It just go with the shoe beautifully. Now, taking a look at the lace hole, as you can see, it does come in that light curry as well. Now, the second thing that stick out a lot to me, man, is the satin on the inside. I feel like with that satin being on the inside, it gives this shoe a much more premium look. Now, to all my lace swappers out there, man, this shoe do not go in an extra set of laces, but I am curious to see if anybody can find that curry color laces and put them in this shoe, man. I really want to see what that look like. The inside of this shoe smell amazing. I know that's weird, man. My bad. It just, I don't know, man. I like smelling new shoes. I'm weird like that. Now, taking a look at the box, man, it does come in your special box. You have a Cardinal Red that splits off to the elephant print. Now, to be honest, I'm not really too mad at this box, but I think they should have gave it that OG Retro 3 box. That's what I would have did, but I can understand why they'll do this. Now, if you're trying to get this shoe, man, this shoe will be dropping on most of the foot sites. I know a couple retail stores that don't have their pairs in yet. It could be a late shipment. I don't know what's going on. You know, some of these retailer shops ain't gonna tell me nothing, and the ones I'm plugged in at are gonna tell me a little bit. But the ones I'm plugged in at telling me that they don't have their pairs. The only thing they have in the back right now is the playoffs, and it's kind of weird. They didn't even have all their Western Blue 5s. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know, but I do know that most of the foot sites will be having this shoe. I'm quite sure that most of the boutiques will also have this shoe, man. So if you're looking to get this shoe for retail, put your footwork in, man, because I think this gonna be a difficult shoe to get. Now, for all the people that like to call retail that don't pay resale, man, I won't be shocked if this shoe restock a couple times. Cause like I said, man, most of the retailers don't have them in yet. Well, at least in my city, man. So if you're waiting to pay the retail price, man, and if you don't hit, just wait it out, man. I'm quite sure they'll have a restock like they always do, man, and you'll be able to get your pair. Now, I apologize for this video being so short, man. I got stuff to do, man, and I don't want to hold y'all up on this basic shoe. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button for your boy. Don't forget to follow me on IG at big homie_Leonard. That's LNRD. Until next time, man, I'm out of here.